Welcome to our Day 1 portal. Let me explain step by step how you can log in and make the best use of your classes. First, open your browser and go to login.dayone.study. Now enter your username and password. These details have already been sent to your registered email after enrollment. Once you log in, you will reach your dashboard. On this page, you will see your course. To attend a class, simply click on Live Classes and you can join the ongoing session. The best part is, even after the class ends, you can watch the recording again anytime. Along with the recordings, you will also find worksheets, assignments and all study material in one place. You can also attempt quizzes for practice. Once you finish a quiz, you can immediately check your answer and go through detailed explanations. This helps you understand your mistakes and improve faster. So everything you need, live classes, revisions, worksheets, quizzes, assignments and explanations is available in one portal for your learning. So enjoy your study journey, and if you face any issue at any step, just contact us at 9560-899-290.
Teacher, and when you are converting the same for large numbers, so there the exponent will be a positive integer. Good. Very good, Celia. Abhigyan. Question number 5.
Ma'am, my answer is coming 5.29
Yes.
into 10 to the power minus 9.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will become what, Abhigyan? You already have a 10 to the power 4. But when you convert this number, so what will I do? 10 to the power?
Minus 5.
Yes, minus 5. Now I will further simplify the exponents, right? So this will become 5.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 plus 4. Right? So this becomes 5.
Lastly, keep in mind that you can see the list of previous classes here, but you cannot watch them directly on this page. To watch them, please log in with your details and then the videos will play on your screen. Thank you.